Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get user input from users. So, for example, we're going to write a simple program which is going to ask what's your name, and it's going to print that name to the console, to the CMD console. So basically, what we're going to do here, so I'm going to create a variable name. So what we have learned so far, we can create variable like this. So I'm going to create a variable called name, and I can store value. So this is called hard-coded. So what will happen if we can get that value from the user? It can be dynamic. For example, when the user is entering the name is going to be changed according to the value that the user is given. For example, in order to do that in Python, there's a keyword called input. Then you can type enter your name. Okay, so this is the message that the user is going to get. When the user is entering the name, that the value is going to store in this variable. Okay, the value which is entering by the user is going to be stored in this variable. Then we can process this variable. We can use that variable wherever place we want in our program. So here I'm going to just print out that value. So I'm going to execute the program. Therefore, I'm opening my CMD. I want to navigate it to my desktop because in desktop I save my file. My file name is program.py. So when I execute it, it asks me enter your name. So I'm going to type my name and it is going to print. So this time I'm going to enter a different name, so it is going to print. So basically the basic idea of this program is to teach you how to get user input from users using Python. So like I said before, in Python there's only one command line that is called input. This is really enough. This is enough to get user input. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this short video. I will see you in the next video.